What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I'm just here in my office, right? And I want to talk to you about making money online. Is it really possible to start making money online working from home? And the answer is yes. And so I get a lot of people that ask me on a daily basis, Adriana, how is it possible that you're making money online and that you're actually making a real type of income? The concept is very simple, guys. It's 2018. Come on, right? We have the power of the internet. You can start creating your own economy, regardless if you went to school, regardless if you went to college, regardless if you graduated from high school. You have the ability, right, just by using your smartphone to start making money online. And I'm not gonna BS you. I'm gonna get straight to the point and give it to you raw, right? And so making money online is definitely real. I've actually been working from home for almost 2 years now, okay? I used to work 70 plus hours a week, had no time to spend with my family or friends. That's my crazy story, right? That sounds like everybody else's story, right? They always say, I never have time to do the things that I love, and so forth. That's why you're here looking at different ways on how you can start making money online working from home. That's the same reason why I went on YouTube, on Google, and I searched, how can I start making money online? And so I came across this amazing opportunity, and check this out. Before I even explain to you exactly what this business opportunity is all about, I'm gonna show you proof, right? I'm gonna click on my merchant account, and you could see right there that it's loading. And today, right, I woke up to over $600 in commissions. You can see right there, $600 in commissions. And I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the load button again, because I get a lot of people that say, hey, do you know that's just a fake screenshot, right? But you can see right there that it's loading. Right? It's not a fake screenshot. There it is. So over $600 on complete autopilot, right? And what is this business opportunity, right? There's many different ways on how you can start making money online, but the best way that I have used to make multiple six figures online, right? The same system that has helped me make an extra $500, $1,000 a day, right, is this simple system that I'm gonna talk to you about. This is a direct sales business opportunity where what we're doing, we're copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, on Craigslist, on YouTube. When somebody responds to these ads, they purchase the product, you get paid 100% commission. Again, this is a direct sales business opportunity that can literally change your life, right? And so, what is this all about? Who is this for? This is for anybody that is tired of struggling and you want to give yourself an opportunity, right, to change your current financial situation. And the reason why I'm so confident in the system that I'm going to tell you about is because it helped me quit my 2 full-time jobs, right? And so this is not a get rich quick scheme, right? I just want you to understand that this is a legitimate online business opportunity that will take hard work and dedication. But if you actually are willing to learn and educate yourself, education will take you so far, my friend. If you're willing to educate yourself and you're willing to gain the knowledge, the skill sets that can potentially change your life, there are no limits as into what you can achieve. So if you want to get the full details of how you can start making money online, if you want to look at more proof and more testimonials about, to go visit my website, go to www.richmindsets.com. Take a look at all the testimonials, take a look at all the proof pictures, right? And then you can decide for yourself if you're willing to get out of your comfort zone so you can get your massive breakthrough. So again, if you're ready to change your life, go to www.richmindsets.com. Other than that, I will see you at the top.